Good afternoon. I'm over here at one of our newest listings. This beauty of a home is located at 110 Yacht Club Drive over here in Fort Walton Beach. Very prestigious neighborhood. This is the street as we pan around here. Right across the street is the water. It's a highly desirable area. And this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, boasts 2,320 square feet of living space. It is updated, and I'm going to take you on inside to take a look. It is super cute. Cannot wait for you to see the inside. Okay, here we go. So I just walked in the main entry door, and there is a hallway leading directly into the kitchen. There's an open closet area here to the left. And then if you look to the right as you walk in, there's this beautiful living room with these gorgeous wood floors. Very pretty. All right, let's take you back through into the kitchen. Oh, well, as I'm going into the kitchen, there's a set of stairs leading downstairs and one leading up. So we'll hit both of those here in a minute. But look at this beautiful kitchen. This is the flooring in here. Stainless appliances. Beautiful white, fresh cabinets. The nice breakfast nook area. Plenty of pantry space over here. And then that just opens up to the dining room area, which is super convenient, because where does everybody like to hang out? Anyone? Anyone? That's right, it's the kitchen. So you have plenty of room for everybody to join you in that area. Right off the dining room area is a garage. And it opens up to the outside as well. You see a washer and dryer over there, but don't worry, there is a washer and dryer that's heated and cooled here inside. Just want to kind of pan around and show you out here. Okay, let's go check out, let's go downstairs first. That sounds like a plan. Look at this gorgeous wall that the sellers have put in. It goes the whole length here. This room is fantastic. Pan around here. There's a closet right there. That's the stairs we just came down. So if we go straight ahead here, there's a laundry room area, which leads to a bathroom. Love, love, love these retro tiles. So very cute. The seller has really taken care of this house for sure. All right, we're gonna swing on out of here, and I'm going to take you to see the master bedroom, which is on the lower level of the split level. So here's the floor as we enter the master. Gorgeous. Plenty of room to roam in here. It's enormous. Panning around out there to give you an idea. All right, so back in here, there's even a nook in this bedroom. There you go. And look at the master, so pretty. So it's a double elevated height vanity with a garden tub. Those are glass blocks, and it's a jetted garden tub. And a separate shower. Pretty neat. Okay, let's go upstairs. So down here on this level, for a recap, we have the master bedroom and 2 full bathrooms. And going back to this main area, I walked in and swinging around to head upstairs, where we will find 3 more bedrooms and another bathroom. All right, here's the first bedroom. Pan around here. I'm gonna hop on into this second bedroom up here. And all of these are pretty nice sized. And this is all wood floors up here too. Now let's swing on into the third bedroom up here. Another oversized bedroom. And it's kind of hard to tell me peeking in here. That's a chalk wall. So the kids can go haywire. Adults too, I like the color. And let me show you the bathroom up here. So this is the bathroom that these 3 bedrooms would be using. Beautiful retro tiles again. All right, let's swing on around here and head on back downstairs, and I'm going to show you the outside. It's right around, but not quite, a 1/4 acre lot. So you definitely have an estate-sized lot and would have, you know, plenty of room for a pool if you ever wanted to put one in. All right, so there's stairs leading down here. And this whole area, that's that door that was out in the garage I pointed out earlier in the video. All of this is screened in and enclosed. Fire pit area back there. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. Have a good day.